Hello and welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a program on your computer the correct way. Now, in most cases, when many want to delete any program on their computer, they go ahead and then click on delete and they think that is done. Unfortunately, that is not the best way to delete a program on your computer. What you have just deleted is the icon, whereas the file of the program are still on the system and on the root of your computer. And in a short while, I'll just show you that the program, the Spotify app that I've just deleted, it is still very much alive and running on our computer. Now, the best way to do so is using the control panel. So we shall go here to control panel and open it. Now, from control panel, search for programs and features. This program. If you can't find it, go and select on icons and select small icons so that all the programs that are running or installed on your computer can be displayed. Now, for my case, I can identify the program I want, go ahead and click Programs and Features. And here it is open. As you can see, these are all the programs that are running on our computer. And if I scroll down, you will find that the program that we just uninstalled some few minutes ago, it is still on our computer. This tells us it wasn't uninstalled in the first place. So to uninstall any program, you have to come here, right click on the program and click on uninstall. You will be asked if you are sure you want to uninstall this program or this feature called Spotify. Go ahead and click OK. Now, as you can see, Spotify has disappeared from our list. Now it is completely uninstalled from our computer. I would also wish to go ahead and uninstall Opera, this program, Opera browser, on my computer. Now to do so, I'll use the same method, but there is a challenge. But as you can see here, Opera comes with two features, Opera Short Video Editors and Opera Stable. These are usually installed at the initial stage of installing this Opera browser. For us to completely uninstall Opera browser, we shall need to uninstall the two. Right click on each and uninstall. Here, read the dialog box and click on yes. Click on OK to remove it. Go ahead and uninstall the second file of Opera and click on install. Click on yes. It is done and our list is clean. The two programs have disappeared completely. If we go ahead on our desktop, Opera was here, it is now gone. Now, in some cases, you may uninstall a program and for your computer to function optimally or for the files to be completely removed, you might be asked to restart your computer. Just go ahead and restart your computer to complete the process. So you can uninstall as many programs as you wish using the correct way, which is through the control panel. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching and let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.